As the Parliament Committee probing the Sputnik vaccine contract prepares to present its report, the minority is mounting pressure on Health Minister Kweku Agyeman-Manu to leave his post. The committee is expected to present its report to the floor latest by Friday. NDC MP for Sanerugu ABF Hussaini says the minister exposed himself at the probe.
Yeah, I'm sure you all can see how it is going. And I have no doubt in my mind that the committee would do a very good work and present the report to Mr. Speaker for it to be presented to the plenary for a decision to be taken. But as here all of us, we can see, I mean, even the very fact that a minister can say that he took leave of his senses when he was working. In which country can you get a minister working and taking leave of his senses? So what was he working with? When the senses were gone, what was he working with? If somebody has died in the market, do you need to announce his demise? It's clear. I mean, I think that in any civilized society, seriously, in a situation where if we took our democracy seriously, he should have been long gone. If he refused to resign, he should have been fired. The president should have fired him. But you see, we are hearing that because I heard he dead that he should be fired. And can you dare a president that he should have fired? So when you see an elder running away from him, he has cotton wool in his anus. Yes, I'm just saying that. So can you see a minister who ignored the Attorney General's advice? Because all those things, number one, should go through cabinet. It didn't go to cabinet. A lie? Cabinet presided over by the president did not see it, and the president has no problem with that. His Attorney General who should advise, because every transaction you engage in, especially if it's an international transaction, should have sound legal advice. Should be anchored on sound legal advice. Your legal officer in charge of advising government was not consulted. That is not a problem. It was supposed to come as an international transaction before Parliament. It never came before Parliament. So you can see that all the key stakeholders whose consent was necessary for the consummation of that deal never had their say. Yet the minister can look us in the face and tell us that he was not resigning and that nobody can sack him. And the president sits down and looks at him, and the president is completely impotent. He's powerless. So it means, you know, when the matter overly delays in the chief's palace, the weaker man has a good case. It's clear that in this particular case, the president cannot sack him. You cannot do anything, because I'm sure that he may also be complicit in what the man did.